From rising costs and market saturation to the struggle to attract and retain warehouse talent, companies are being pushed to rethink how they manage their warehouse workforce. In this Q&A, industry leaders break down the biggest labor pain points they're seeing and the innovative strategies companies are using to stay productive. Let's see what they have to say. What's driving labor challenges in warehouses today?
Labor challenges are real because most people are distributing the same general area, so there's a saturation of the market, right? So there's still that labor supplement you have to have, be it software, material handling that is just, it's not going away. Labor is expensive. A loaded rate of a full-time teammate in a warehouse 5 years ago was $50,000 a year, now it costs $80,000. And now I have to find that person, right? And finding that talent. And then across the street's a competitor who's paying a little bit more per hour, maybe has a few more perks, so you have to find that supplement, right? So that's still the biggest challenge, is that saturation of the market, not having the availability. Make no mistake, most people don't grow up saying, hey, I want to work in a warehouse. So finding people that are excited about it with new technologies, new innovative ways of doing things to pull in the talent that really wants to be there is where companies are really making a difference.
How are companies addressing labor shortages?
With regard to labor availability, we've been talking about this now for probably 5 or more years. We've seen it coming, it's here, it's not going away. So companies are realizing that, look, we have a shortage of labor, or they're relying very heavily on temp labor, which is not a good position to be in. So they have to turn to automation. So the way that they're retrofitting their existing DCs to automate many of the processes, they will redeploy those associates elsewhere if possible, but they're just looking for simple automation solutions to enhance the existing workforce, or in some cases just eliminate the need for humans in certain areas of the DC.
What trends are you seeing in automation adoption to counteract labor shortages in warehouses?
What I'm seeing is a lot of flexible automation in terms of adoption from really the mid-tier type clients. So with flexible automation, it doesn't take 18 months to do a elaborate design and orchestration and engineering of a solution. You can actually deploy flexible automation, i.e. robotics, in a short period of time and test it out in a way that is cost effective without the long draw for the duration of the deployment. And you can get some real benefits from it and then decide, let's actually roll out more flexible automation as the ROI and the business case proves itself out.
Need help optimizing your warehouse workforce? Speak with one of our experts today. Visit made4net.com.